Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to enable flight notifications in the EasyJet application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. And then click on the three lines at the top of the page on the right. And then click on the communication settings button. And at the push settings section, look for the flight notifications button. And in order to enable that, click on the white circle next to it. And once it turned orange, the notifications are enabled. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.